What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today's video is like a little cool 1 hour session. I was tattooing my nephew or whatnot. It's like a simple piece. Yeah, tattooing my sister's name was deceased or whatnot, and it's a cool piece. So this video, hopefully y'all enjoy it or whatnot. I know it's gonna be some gurus in my comments telling me I should have did this or I should have did that, yada, yada, yada. For the most part, I made sure my client was sanitized, which was my nephew. So big shouts out to my nephew for being my very first client other than myself. So I'm really amped about this tattoo. You know, I'm posting this, I'm putting this clip in the beginning of my video, you know, so, yeah, without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to watch something new like this, y'all keep me going, honestly. Like, I see my subscriber count just jumping, even when I was inactive. So I do want to apologize, and it seems like I'm apologizing every single upload because I'm not consistent enough, which I should be, but it's just like I want to tattoo on real skin other than actual fake skin. I know y'all want to see real human skin, so the next upload probably will be, if not another client, it'll probably be me thinking about getting my thigh tattooed. Preferably my left thigh, then I'll probably do my right. But yeah, tune into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. I do want to note that my client, this is his first ever tattoo, so we applied numbing cream, and throughout the whole tattoo, he said that he didn't feel really much or nothing. And then when he started to feel it, he said he could take the pain. It wasn't a big deal. So this is my first ever time doing anything like that, and he trusted me, so I appreciated him, and then he liked it. And I liked it. You know, I still see some flaws and some things where I could have did better. But for the most part, it was pretty solid, I'll leave the rest of the reviews to y'all because I know y'all gonna give me the reviews regardless. But let me know how y'all think about the tattoo too, or what I could have did better and things of that nature. But like I said, he wanted the numbing cream, and at first he was nervous, his arm was shaking. He said he couldn't feel his arm at one point in time because I let the numbing cream, after, you know, you gotta prep the skin, of course, shave, clean it first. Clean the skin first, shave, then clean it again, and then add the numbing cream, and then let that numbing cream sit at least for like an hour to 2 hours. I let it sit for an hour, and then we got busy, and that's how it went down. So, yeah, but I just wanted to let y'all know, before we get into this video, to let y'all know, maybe that's gonna give y'all a little context of what's going on in the video and things of that nature. But yeah, enjoy the video.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday looking at. Know what's going on YouTube. So I already prepped the skin up. Right now I'm just adding a little Vaseline or whatnot to my surface. Not too much because I don't want to mess up the stencil. And sorry if I'm doing too much chatting and talking on this video. It's a lot of copyrighted music, so just want to give y'all the details. So right now I'm actually using a 1-round liner. A lot of people don't use those as beginners to start because those lines it will snitch on you. I ain't gonna lie, them lines will snitch on you. But right now I'm using a 1-round liner. Get my paper towel so I can wipe off the excess ink. You know, when you first start doing a tattoo, you don't want to wipe to smear off the stencil. You want to dab at it, you know? So right now I started off doing not the Roman numbers, but the numbers in red ink. So that's what I'm doing right now. You know, I'm asking him, do it hurt? He said he didn't feel a thing. So as I was prepping him, the reason why he's not feeling a thing is because I let that numbing cream sit in for at least an hour, wrapped it up and things of that nature. So that's the process. That's how it went down or whatnot. Yeah. So mind you, this is my nephew. This is his very first tat. And not gonna lie, this piece actually got a little meaning to me as well because it's a piece dedicated to my deceased sister and whatnot, and it just all makes sense. I'm glad that he allowed me to be the first mug, the first person to do his tattoo, his very first tattoo to be exact. And he was comfortable. Yeah. The tattoo needle, the tattoo pen I'm using, it's an Amazon pen. It only cost me $35. So once y'all see the finishing outcome, don't think that your most expensive product is what you need. The most expensive equipment is what you need. You can still get it done. Like they say, it's about the artist. It's the artist. It's not the machine, it's the artist. You can have the top tier greatest machine ever, but your art could suck, you know? And this session was about an hour. I still had like 2 notches of battery once I got done, and it wasn't even fully charged. So that tells you how long this tattoo gun battery at least lasts. I am thinking about upgrading my machine since I'm working on other people other than myself. I will be doing the upgrade. Yeah, so at first it was just a hobby for me. And right now I'm doing the wings. So I ended up swapping it out since I'm doing the black. Y'all can see I'm swapping it out right now. Wait, nope, I'm putting it back in. Okay, this is 7-round liner right here. 7-round liner did the job so much better. It made it so much like less time consuming. The reason why I use the 1-round liner is because the words and the letters, the numbers or whatnot was very, very small and intricate. So I could not make them extremely thick. So you got to know what liners and round shaders or anything like that. Any needles you're using, you have to know what the uses and the purpose of the tattoo is for, if that makes sense. So right here, you're not gonna see none of this stuff I'm doing. I dislike this angle so much going forward in my other videos. I will go back to the original angle. It was so much better. The reason why I put it in this angle is because I didn't have a headlamp. So now I know to invest in a headlamp, I needed that extra light on that side to see where I was going for a certain particular part and area of the tattoo. But it's trial and error. I still got it done. It came out precise and neat and clean. My client liked it. I enjoyed it. So yeah. I think around this time I was doing the shading of the wings on the other side. And I also was doing the letters of my sister's name. And at this point, I can add more Vaseline because the stencil is already gone, you know. It's been gone at this point. We like, what, 40 minutes in, stencil has been gone. It did last, though. I will say it did sit there on that skin. If y'all want to know what tools and utensils I use as far as prepping and things of that nature, I do have another video out previously. It's going to be up here right there on the top of the video. But yeah, I like my little setup, man. For somebody that's in home, I love my little setup so far. Like, it could be better, but hey, I enjoyed it. But here go the finished product, and I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all see the work.
even know we played. XXL, baby, I wanna be there next. Talking shit behind my back, but hit my vest. Same reason, all be happy for that name. Why would I ever stop, wanna be the best? Why would I ever stop? Why would I ever stop? Why would I? Love your life, wanna ride with us. On that black hair, it's a ride. She just wanna have a good time. They just wanna have a good time. We just wanna have a good time. She said, baby, lately, you know you stay up for 1 month. She throw it back, you know I get it.